Namaste. We all know we are more than 70% of water. So when we virtually connect with the energies of water, we instantly connect with our true nature. For ages, our ancestors have been using the energies of water to amplify spiritual experiences. Every sacred site, every spiritual experience is incomplete without the blessings of water that purifies us, cleanses us, balances us, and aligns us. If you want to explore this beautiful mystical journey with the help of meditation to rejuvenate your senses, do join me and my dear friend Victoria Webby from Australia this weekend on Sunday, July 5th on the sacred event of full moon. Come, bathe yourself in this experience and give yourself the much deserved rejuvenation of body and mind. Namaste.
Hi, this is Victoria Webby. Please join myself and my beautiful co-host Purvi from India this Sunday, the 5th of July, to venture into the most amazing worlds of our oceans, our lakes, our rivers, to meditate, to receive language of light and initiations from these beautiful guardians of temples from the Nile River right across the planet, to see and experience something completely unique and different. I've been receiving messages for years around the waters and the deep oceans and the doorways and the portals and the deep healing experience that we can all have by joining together in sacred circle and experiencing something amazing. So please come and join this wonderful celebration and circle this Sunday. Love to have you there. Love to see you there. Bye for now.